Backyard renovation time-lapse videos are blowing up right now. Some of them are getting millions of views. And the best part? You don't need a team, expensive software, or editing skills to make them. In this video, I'll show you how to create these viral backyard renovation videos using AI. Simple, beginner-friendly, and completely free. First, we need a backyard image. For this, go to Pinterest and search for backyard ideas. You'll find plenty of high-quality images. Choose one you like and download it. Now open Flow AI and upload the downloaded image. Select the Nano Banana Pro model. Choose your aspect ratio. Set the number of outputs. Now type this prompt: create image before construction. Hit generate and your first image is ready. Next, upload the same Pinterest image again and use this prompt. Create image without furniture, flowers, or decorations. This gives us our second image. Now choose Frames to Video in Flow AI. Frame 1, before construction image. Frame 2, furnitureless image. Copy prompt 1 from the document link in the description. Paste it and click. Generate your first video is done. Now for second videos, Frame 1, furniture-less image. Frame 2, final backyard image. Paste prompt 2. Click Generate, second video ready. For the full scene, upload the final backyard image again, paste prompt 3, and generate the video. Now save all 3 videos. Open your editing software. CapCut works perfectly. Import all 3 videos. Arrange them in sequence. Add background music. Add transitions or zoom effects if you want. And that's it. Your viral backyard renovation time-lapse video is ready. That's how you can easily create backyard renovation time-lapse videos using AI. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Reavron for more viral AI tutorials, and comment below which niche you want me to cover next.